We have been in operations from past 15 years, and my experience in this industry comes with 21 years. I myself CITESCO, BTCT and LABT certified, and I'm also the assessor and instructor. If you talk about the Middle East market, I'm the DHA licensed trainer as well as the beautician, or you can say a beauty therapist who can conduct treatment. So cosmetology has been my subject for a couple of years, and when we started our school 15 years ago, we have been having students from Nepal, maybe from different parts of Nepal, and coming and taking cosmetology, hair, makeup, beauty courses. And of lately we also had a lot of international students who've been coming and taking taking international certifications. So the reason for us to be in Nepal is when these students who are from Nepal coming to our other centers were talking and approaching, they said, "Ma'am, why don't we have one center in Nepal since you have been having students for years together?" The kind of industry that we belong to, I would say a beauty industry and wellness industry, is not very organized or structured, but it is taking a very beautiful shape when it comes to qualifications and certifications. And talking about Nepali culture, I see students have been very disciplined, very focused, they exactly know what they want, and they come with that mindset that, okay, if I pick up this kind of a course, what is going to be my future? Will I be able to do something? Will I be able to do something of my own? So keeping all these things in mind, thinking over a couple of years, we thought that why not having this center here in Nepal, which opens the doors and people don't have to travel all the way to different countries, but in their own home country we give them that kind of same qualifications and open doors for them, which from here they're able to open to a multi-million or trillion-dollar industry. So my experience in Nepal has been so amazing that we launched yesterday on 29th, today on 30th, and if I see, we have already done with 25 admissions. So this is what gives us another, it was very motivating and very overwhelming for us that even before we launched, we had 25 students registered, and not small term or long term courses, but a proper cosmetology courses, proper international certifications and diplomas, and they came with very focused mindset that, okay, this is the course that I want to do, and probably I want to go ahead in the career and do this way. So having these international certifications in Nepal is going to be an amazing thing. The reason being, now since we are in the 21st century, I wouldn't deny the traditional education that we've been doing for over the years, but skills has been really taking a new shape for all the future generations to come. And not necessarily every time when we graduate we have a certification. Along with certification we get somebody offers us a job. No, it doesn't work like that. But with us it has been very, very significant that before my students get their certificates in hand, they are already placed. I don't say that we give placements, there are people looking for them in the market and we open doors for them. We have more than 500 types across the globe that we've developed over the years, and that has been, I can say, a passport for people to get into the careers. And when we talk about careers, it has to be very rewarding. And I feel I belong to an industry which is completely recession free. The reason being, no matter how much ever the recession is going to be, no bride or a groom is going to their mandap without having a makeup or a hairstyle. Or if we talk about guys, girls, it's still fine that, okay, we go along 2 months or 3 months or 6 months without haircut, but that's not the option for boys. So they have to get groomed, they have to be looking good. And I think luxury we talk about initially was manicures and nail extensions and getting hair colors is what people used to do. I think now with the kind of social media and exposure that people have, the basic grooming is not a luxury but a necessity. So everybody has to look nice, everybody has to look confident. So all these skills that we bring together along with the hair, makeup, nails, as you see at the back, the kind of certifications we offer. And this is my tree and my USPs that we do at ISAS for our students, where we open the doors what is needed in the market. So just to comprehend, I would say ISAS has major 6 domains, which has hair, makeup, beauty, nails, spa therapies and management. We teach with a complete scientific backup and a very traditional way of understanding cosmetology for our students, which not only helps them to make and have great career paths, but helps them to understand in a much detailed way how the entire process and procedures work, and they are able to perform much better in the market. I feel very proud to say that always my students have had a very ultra edge when it comes to comparison of the others in the market. The only reason is they learn better, they perform better, and they are very well skilled. International certifications have always helped them to stand apart, because the kind of certifications we offer are CEDESCO from Switzerland, which is one of the most prestigious qualifications in the world when it comes to beauty industry. Then we have LAPT, which is completely assessment based program, where a student performs, and according to on the basis of their assessments we are able to offer them the levels. And another one is Pivot Point, which is another benchmark, and I can say a very revolutionary thing when it comes to beauty, where all the students are able to understand and perfectly know that why they are doing those things and how. So there is a reason behind it for why and how, and they are completely I can say a learning management system that we have, and any kind of a courses that we have is been very well curated with them, and they have their subscriptions logged in. With every individual students has their own login, where whenever they want to access, they can access that Pivot Point. That's what it is, and it is from USA, and that gives them the details about through presentations, through notes, through MCQs, where they're able to assess. And if they want to recheck all the time, okay, this particular topic that's not true with, I think they can go on and on with that. So that's a subscription way of learning certain things. For example, if it is a facial massage or if it is a haircut, and if somebody is not able to understand, they can have a look at those videos as many number of times and understand, sitting at their home in their own comfort zone and learning things. So those are the things that would be a good revision for them. So I would just like to say that having these international certifications in Nepal has been very first time. I don't see any other international certifications that are there here, and that's going to be amazing. I think that's why we had 25 admissions before even we had a launch, and that's what I think people are looking for. And I am so happy to see that I'm already feeling at home. The kind of warmth and affection that I've received from the students and the kind of trust they've bestowed on our brand is, I think, truly rewarding. So we are here for you. Please do come and explore us and understand what exactly we do, so that it helps you to find your own career path in your own way. We have amazing team of academic counselors who can guide you and take you through this whole process. Thank you so much.